Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to unblock someone on your Snapchat. So now let's head on to our Snapchat app and then go to your Snapchat profile. So just click your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen and then you are now headed to your profile. So here you need to click the settings icon at the top right corner and then just scroll down and look for blocked. So it is found in account actions. It is here. Click blocked. And then in your blocked section, you can see all of the accounts that you blocked, or maybe you want to unblock someone who you accidentally blocked, or you want to unblock a certain account. So here I got one blocked account. So I'm just gonna click X. And then are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? Just say yes. And just do it for the rest of the blocked accounts. And then most likely you will see their Snapchats or their snaps in the future because you've unblocked their account. And that's it for this tutorial. If you want to know more about Snapchat tutorials in the future, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell for more future tutorials. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.